做
食飯，
當
今日嚟呢度試下個拉麵，個燒賣咧佢20蚊咧就已經有3粒唔同嘅 combo，咁你就可以試下唔同。呢個應該係糯米，跟住一個係蝦啦，然之後係辣嘅呢個係辣嘅。有少少似咧細個咧係茶樓食一個燒賣咧係黃色嘅，跟住係有糯米啊嘛。加油！呢個係蝦拉麵，其實佢都有3塊叉燒啦，有成個溏心蛋嗰度有紫菜。It's so good 好似日華咁樣喎，係啊。我日華你又貴啊？Strange. You see what man is super thin 咯？個拉麵咧好幼喎，我感覺好似雲吞麵咁樣嘅。But I would say it's like
too thin.
Too thin. It's just like 雲吞麵，跟住加咗個蝦湯底。It's just like wonton noodle, and then you put the Japanese like shrimp ball. It's not what I'm expecting, but it's good. Yeah. 溏心蛋好飲啊！我只能夠講呢個價錢係1碗嘅1半咁，你就冇得 complain 咯。Good, very good. 加咗叉燒，其實我唔係叉燒嘅愛好者。I feel like got like so many like Chinese influence, but this is like the sauce from the 叉燒飯，好似呢個係叉燒飯嗰個薑油咁樣沖嘅。係叉燒飯。我食拉麵我想食日本嘅，我依家有啲中國貨係咪？老闆。
And those?
即係燒賣我比較傳統啲，一係你就俾茶樓嗰種燒賣，我一係就俾街邊檔嗰種魚肉燒賣。我呢個 fusion 或者好新型咁又可取嘅，因為好似嗰個黃色個糯米包咁樣咯。OK，好啦，呢個咧就係油麵，但係咧佢就講咗明話呢個香油要落1個圈，然之後有個果醋，跟住要落2個圈。So one ring. So now first， 一齊做個 two. 1, 2. You know, and you like spicy and vinegary? I feel like it's very Sichuan influence. 有啲四川風。好。Now we are talking.
And the winner is me.
Yeah, you pick a good one. Now we are talking. 有啲會食，其他就係 OK 老闆，我係他們間後邊落，但係this one I will come on.
See you tomorrow for lunch.
Oh yeah, because ladies trip. Yeah, now you try.
Soup or no soup? No soup. These don't have soup.
Wow.
So how do you eat it?
Vinegar. The flavor are nice. The noodles are perfectly cooked. Have a bouncy taste.
嗰個冇
Persistence, you know?
我初頭咧對於嗰個醋咧唔係咁想落嘅，但係跟住佢話個醋 really 係即係帶起嗰個味道。
And that flavor, the chili, the vinegar with all,
Yeah.
the seaweed, the green onion, the chon. Wow.
所有嘢加埋一齊，哇 ！I agree, you know. Winner is you.
如果係價錢佢請啦，油麵 OK，其餘嘅 OK。
拜拜。 嗯。